Dreaming of Italy this summer? Turn it into your classroom. Build real-world experiences through Syracuse Academy Sustainability School programs. Hear from our students.
For the marine biology program, we kind of go through some organismal diversity for marine animals. We also learn interactions between humans and the environment.
The classes so far have been really interesting. It's been great to learn specifics about the Mediterranean, the organisms here, the different policies and conservation efforts going on here.
We learned a lot about invasive species. We learned a lot about different fishing techniques. We did a lot of marine organism IDing, learning different taxa and stuff.
We've gone on a few excursions so far. I think my favorite has been the snorkeling. We got to go out on the water, explore the different fish, see the ones that we've talked about in class, and learn about new ones that we saw.
So one of my favorite trips was the Mara Camp excursion, and for this we went on a boat and we got to look for dolphins. We did see some bottlenose dolphins, which were really cool to see, and that was probably my